Good evening, friends, fans, my subscribers, and fellow YouTubers who support me, by subscribing my channel and by commenting. And I have seen that you all are not putting any comments or subscribing to my channel. Please do that. And uh, again, I would like to apologize for a late vlog. Last time I told you there was some uncertainty in my family, and I thought, why not make a vlog on those uncertainties only, this time. Keeping a very important issue in mind, I'd like to, it could be a little long this vlog this time, so just bear with me, but just listen to the full vlog. पसंद आए ना आए आपकी खुशी, but I feel that is important. It's about uncertainties of people going to the hospital or people going to funerals. Now you all will tell me किसने पूछा किसने कुछ कहा. It's about very very special people like me. I like to put my collar up because my disability, many of you people would today realize that I am disabled because I've never stated that in my vlog. Or anybody's disability, doesn't decide what they do and how they lead their life. So let everybody decide for themselves, right? And a message to parents and guardians and doctors and physiotherapists, जो एक्सरसाइज करवाने वाले होते हैं, and gym instructors of such people have a right to live. And the gym instructors and doctors and people, could be a very big support to people like me. Like me, I said. I'm not asking support from anybody for anything. But I have a group of people who are handicapped. And I don't know what is going on in their life. But I just want to put across a message. This time is such, India is suffering and the whole world is suffering through COVID. There are a lot of uncertainties. Okay. And this is not a general thing actually. COVID में कोई ऐसा करने दे, would they like you to take that decision or no, I don't know. That is for a differently able person or specially able person like me. I'm really special to my family and to my friends. So I would just like to send a message first across to the differently able person like me, because I have to take all the decisions on my own for myself. Where you want to go, what you want to do, how you want to do it, and how you manage to do it is all your decision. And you know why? Because if you are handicapped, you didn't decide and come into the world that I'm handicapped and I'm choosing to be like this. Because I don't blame myself. If I give you an example of myself also, I don't blame myself to be handicapped. And I can take my own decision. Okay, so I am saying throughout in life we all have seen a lot of uncertainties like a funeral. And I would like to ask you a question, and I would directly want to start with the vlog now. Do parents of handicapped kids, differently able kids, actually I'm using the word handicap, I should not, but I'm not shy of it, stop you all from going to funerals if you're on the wheelchair, if you walk using the walker and walking, if you're taking a little support from somebody even while going to the funeral, okay, or going to the hospital. Many people in India, they say, they tell the handicapped child, why do you want to go, how will you go? If you are able to go, if your willpower is there enough to go to see that body there, or a funeral, or go to the hospital to visit a friend, or sit out during he's having a surgery, or some relative who you are very close to, I mean, you should be able to decide for yourself whether I want to go to the hospital at this time, whether I want to go for the funeral at this time, or whatever time it is. For a full of your lifetime, would you want to travel in a train alone when all your friends are going? Would you like to initiate yourself and travel over there, to travel alone in the train, to take a flight and go on your own? Do you have that confidence? And if you have such a confidence to travel alone in a flight, just go ahead and do it and decide for yourself. And I would request the parents, I would request our elders to, let such children lead their life independently. Because you didn't decide whether if they are born handicapped or they are born with a disability. I am walking with a walker. मैं एक वॉकर यूज करता हूँ जो एक बेजान चीज है, इट्स लाइफलेस. Okay, but I can hold the walker and decide which direction I take it. My mind is still active. I could have emotions. Or anybody different able could have emotions. My legs don't decide for myself where I go, how I go. My mind decides. If I have emotions, I will go for a funeral. If I have emotions, I will go for a wedding on my own. If I need, I will take a flight. If it's important for me, I will spend the money, take a flight and go anywhere if I have to go. I have a right to go to the hospital and see my relative and friend. I'm just speaking on a broader perspective for every differently able child or a differently able adult as we are. Because everything works from here. Nothing works from here. That is my leg hidden behind the table. I have nothing over here. I just try to see if something decides for me over here in my leg or my hand. Did you see? Nothing decides. Over here I decide. Over here I decide. And I've got freedom of living. Because if a doctor cannot cure me, if Ayurvedic can't cure me, if a guru or somebody can't cure me, then I refuse to be living like a handicap. And I think all of us have equal right of living. And I'd like to ask a question also over here. If you're inviting an handicapped person for a wedding, for a mundan, or when a child is born, you invite, right? You throw parties or like baby showers or anything. Everywhere, we've been everywhere, right? For a opening ceremony or a wedding, so I already gave you that example. Opening ceremony or a wedding. And if you all feel this child won't be able to come or this adult won't be able to come, as you said, make special arrangements. Or you just do me one favor. Anybody who's, doing that, inviting somebody, we are much more, I wouldn't say much more able, but quite able to do things like anybody else can. I eat with my hand. I watch with my eyes. My eyes are pretty functional. I don't look very great, but everything else is functional. I'm a YouTuber. I have got 81 subscribers. My views are going on increasing. Nothing decides for me. I decide for myself. And nobody decides for me. If I'm tired to go somewhere, I won't go. But if I need to go, even if I'm tired, I'm just holding my hand up and saying, you are most welcome to call me even at 2 o'clock in the night to help you wherever, to come wherever I can at whatever time. You are most welcome to take any kind of help from me. I said whatever I can, I will do for you, but just ignore my disability. And that goes not for me, because I don't consider myself disabled. And I would Also, say, I told you I'm using a non-living thing. How can this non-living thing doesn't decide? I move the walker and I go wherever I want. So I decide for myself from here, from my mind. So I'd like to, say, let everybody decide for myself. Because if your child is handicapped, if any adult in your house is handicapped, God decided for them. You didn't decide, so don't even decide now. But then, yeah, to put a final stop to this, I didn't receive any agreement from God, and I don't see any board or caution outside an hospital or a place where funerals are taking place. Nobody has told me, or I don't see any board or caution saying that any differently abled, please don't come inside or this thing. I've never heard, I've never read anything like this in a newspaper or a caution somewhere. I've never seen that, and I hope I never see such things. And I'd like to appeal to the family once and for final, because this vlog is not going to come again. Every differently able decide for themselves, and I'd like the family to encourage, or the friends to encourage, okay, such a thing. Please give me also a call, or please give somebody of my state or worse than my state. They can come in a wheelchair also. Let them decide, or you please give a call. That's your duty, to give a call at such a time. That come and see me in the hospital, I'm not feeling well or something. I'd like to come and give you company at that time. I'd like to stand for you. I'm standing with a walker, no? That's 4 legs. You people walk with 2 legs and decide for yourself. People with 6 legs, 2 of my own and 4 legs of the walker. Why can't I decide for myself? I can, and I will. And all of you will, watching this vlog. Share this vlog with all differently able. Thank you very much. And please don't be confused in subscribing. Press the bell icon, you'll get notifications fast. Share this video with everybody. On my channel, I speak on a lot of different subjects. Please do subscribe fast. I need a lot of million views for this. Okay? I'm with you, standing. Means mentally I'm standing. Here also, you see, I can stand. I'm a normally looking person. I can talk to you normally. I'm standing. I'm sitting. I can sit also. This was just a small example. Abhi bas, I think. Thank you very much. Just press the bell icon. New subscribers, please subscribe and share this video, because there's an important message. Funerals, hospitals, please let them go, and you shut up and stand at one side, and don't let anybody decide for anybody. In fact, you should encourage. Thank you very much.